How to know if someone has blocked you on X. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the X Twitter application on your device over here. So as you launch the X Twitter application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So let's just tap on the option over here. So as you tap on it, you can simply search for the particular account that you'd want to see if they have blocked you or not. So if you find that the person that you're looking for is not being seen, or you cannot find their profile over here on the options, so let me just do one of these options. So let me search for a particular person over here. So if you find that person, then it means I have not been blocked. So you can simply see their profile as well, and you'll be able to message them or call them as well. So if you have been blocked, you'll not be able to message or call them as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.